Fraud and identity theft happen. It's an unfortunate fact of modern-day life. Scammers use email or text messages to trick you into giving them your personal information. They may try to steal your passwords, account numbers, or social security numbers. If they get that information, they could gain access to your email, bank, or other accounts. Scammers launch millions of phishing attacks every day, and they're often successful. Scammers often update their tactics, but there are some signs that will help you recognize a phishing email or text message. Number 1. Phishing emails and text messages may look like they're from a company you know or trust. They may look like they're from a bank, a credit card company, a social networking site, or an online payment website or app, or an online store. Phishing emails and text messages often tell a story to trick you into clicking on a link or opening an attachment. They may say they've noticed some suspicious activity or login attempts, claim there's a problem with your account or your payment information, say you must confirm some personal information, include a fake invoice, want you to click on the link to make a payment, say you're eligible to register for a government refund, or offer a coupon for free stuff. If you are suspicious of an email that contains a link, take a moment to hover your mouse over the link. Does the link look valid? Does the email contain any spelling errors or unusual greetings? Do they convey a sense of urgency? Scan the email for anything that looks out of place. If you are still suspicious, call the company and ask if the email is from their company. Number 2. When browsing the internet, stay alert for pop-ups notifying you that software is out of date or that you have a virus. This can be an opportunity for your information to be stolen from online fraudsters. Always make sure it's from a trusted source. If the pop-up requests you to call them or asks for personal information, do not oblige. Protect yourself by setting your computer to an auto-update and use a trusted antivirus program. Number 3. Just as we all have to be aware of email phishing, we also have to be aware of voice phishing. This is just like email phishing, but it usually involves a phone call that directs you to a website or asks for your account information. When somebody calls you from a number you are unfamiliar with and asks for your personal information, make sure it's from a trusted source. They may say they're from a trusted source, such as your financial institution or computer company. They will then ask you for your critical information or want to gain access to your computer. Do you know this source? Are they telling you something you know is not true? If you are suspicious of the call, hang up and call back using the known company phone number. Stay safe and be vigilant in protecting yourself from scammers. Watch for red flags and be careful when giving personal information or account information out. By following these simple tips and tricks, you can better protect yourself from fraud.